AIG Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. AIG, which is American International Group, now operating under the same Corebridge Financial in the US, offer a range of retirement planning products, including the annuities and an insurance-based plan. And here is an overall honest review about this platform based on the available information about this platform. And here's the good side about this platform. Starting from the good side, it comes with a diverse annuities option. AIG provide the various annuities products such as a fixed, variable, and index annuities, catering to different retirement goal and risk tolerance. It also comes with a financial strength. AIG has a strong financial rating indicating its ability to meet policyholder obligation and also retirement planning tools. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the backside, which is the high fee, the customer service issues, and a limited investment option. And here's a correct overall conclusion about the platform. AIG offer a range of retirement planning products with a strong financial backing. However, potential clients should be aware of the associated fee, consider the customer service experience reported by some users. It is advisable to compare AIG's offering with other providers to ensure they align with your retirement goal and your preference.